What's going on, YouTube? I just woke up, realized I have a screw in my tire down here. So I have this old kit that I've had for over 20 years. I don't know if it's going to work or not. These are pretty old, but I'm going to try my best and see if I can plug this tire with this old kit. Just peel this stuff off. Kind of has like a licorice consistency. Feels like a piece of licorice or something. So you thread it through here. You pull it about halfway through. Just kind of wiggle it through till it gets about halfway. Alright, so now we got here. They don't sell them with rubber cement anymore. I don't know why. But I have some from this old kit, so luckily I've got some of this stuff here. Now, I'm just going to get this ready, and then I'm going to pull the screw out and push this in real quick, and hopefully it works out. I'm not 100% it's going to work out because this kit's old, but let's get see what we can do. So I'm just going to get everything ready here. I'm going to put some glue all over this thing. Oops. It's probably a little too much, but so I gotta be quick with this. Get right down in here. Here's the screw. I have my jack on it a little bit, but here we go. So now you gotta ream this hole out. You wanna make it a little bigger than what it is. Nice big hole. Okay, ready? Here we go. Now it's going to be fun to get this in this hole. I can't get no traction on my feet. This isn't going so well.
Do we need to make the hole bigger?
I need something to push off with my feet.
Okay.
I just had nothing to push off of. Or to grip onto. For that. I can't even tell if I got any of it in there.
No, I think because it's not, the hole's not big enough.
Okay, well, I might have to do a second hole.
Okay, we're going to try again. Hold, please hold. All right, we're making the hole bigger, and now we're going to put another piece in.
Yeah, I don't know. It still didn't get much bigger, but...
There you go.
It's fucking...
You can't twist it? Oh, it's going in. Oh my goodness.
Alright, that's just 2/3 of the way.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm supposed to rip it and it's supposed to stay in there. And that's why you're not supposed to twist it. So, I'm worried it's just going to come right out. So, that's what it's supposed to do. And then we're just supposed to cut that off. So if I could tell you anything about this video is make sure you got that hole reamed out good.
Yeah,
And then
you need
I'd
to double the size of the piece that you put in.
And if you look behind me, I have nothing to push off of. So back up maybe against a wall or something so you have something to push off of, because that sucked. But it seemed to have worked. I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna cut the end of it. I'll cut the end off right now, actually.
Provide an update maybe tomorrow and let you guys know if it actually stayed plugged. Good luck, folks.